there's an illustration of the fact that you take a piece of iron sitting there, it's hard and it's cold, and you place it in the fire, and that iron will take on the qualities of the fire, and then it becomes malleable. It becomes the bearer of that heat because of its proximity to the flame. Now, he used that analogy because he was describing also what happens when you take that iron out of the fire. It returns to its native character, hard and cold, having no heat, meaning no light. This work is about bringing this hardened and cold heart, this mind in the dark of itself, and understanding by its nature, it has no interest in heat or light. It wants to remain what it is, as do all things want to remain as they are. But human beings have within them that which not only wants to remain as it is, but that which understands that that which it is not all it can be. And the struggle spiritually is understanding that even when I have no interest at all, I have no heart for the truth, it's the furthest thing from my mind because I'm sitting there dull, I'm sitting there too excited about something that happened, I'm going to get some money, or I'm going somewhere, or I'm planning something, that in those moments it's never more important to bring that steely heart, that steely mind into proximity with the light, with the warmth, with the quickening that can awaken it and remind it of the quality that it wants more than anything else. And if it stays there long enough, it becomes part of what it is immersed in. So thank you for the encouragement, Brian, on behalf of everyone, and for me too. It's a right thing to say.